Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another daily market report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, March 24th. Hey, we got a lot more on the economic calendar today. We'll start off with the CPI, or the Consumer Price Index. We had back in January a negative 0.7%. So this is the first increase. As you can see, the forecast is at 0.2 and went up to 2% or 0.2%. First increase in like 4 months. We've been getting a lot of negatives or drops. A lot of it due to the energy prices dropping. Now, when you strip out the food and energy, we get what they call the core CPI, and we had 0.2% increase in January, and again, we had another increase in February, so it came in expectations. So everything was in line with the inflation. Those are actually good numbers because we were concerned about inflation dropping, and we want to see inflation kind of increasing a little bit because everybody likes to see themselves making a little bit more money and such. We also got another gauge for the home price index, the FHFA home price index for the month of January. So back in December, it was at 5.4% year-over-year increase. And for January, it tapered a little bit to 5.1% year-over-year. But that's usually expected, primarily because, which is still good news, because January usually is kind of a slower time period where people are kind of getting they're still kind of getting over the holidays, and they're kind of just starting to get into mode. So usually towards the end of January, people start looking for homes and stuff. So that's still a good sign there, and I think you'll see that in the next couple months pop up again. We have the market PMI flash for the month of March, or this month. So the previous report was back in last month was 55.1. Anything in this type of index, anything above 50 is considered expansion. Anything below is contraction. And we expanded a little bit further. We had a slight improvement to 55.3. And then last but not least, we got the new home sales for the month of February. So January we had 500,000 new homes sold. And then it was supposed to pull back in February and actually increased to 539,000. So existing home sales were down, but new home sales are up. So people look like they're tending to buy the newer homes, which probably will be interesting to see what when we see the home builders' confidence level, see if if their confidence levels are up with the related to this new home sales for the month of February. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look here at the headline news. Stock market's up. Everything's pretty much up except for Nasdaq's down slightly. Again, it's not moving a whole lot, but it's down a slight. Bond market, we're pretty much in the same trading range as you can see as yesterday, so there's really no difference in terms of pricing from yesterday. So I would say simply just say that interest rates are about the same where we left off yesterday. All right, folks. Hey, you guys have a wonderful day. I will look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.